You know this moment. You're just browsing. 12 minutes later, you've justified a $179 purchase as a smart investment. You click buy. The next morning, you're not broke, just slightly annoyed. Like you lost a small argument with your future self. If that's you, you're normal. Hi, I'm Sam, Mike's brother, and I'm here with some everyday tips for you to improve your regular and financial life. According to Slick Deals, the average American spends over $300 a month on impulse purchases. That's $3,600 a year. Invest $300 per month at 8% for 30 years? That's about $440,000. Not because you're bad with money, because you didn't wait. The rule: if it's not essential, wait 48 hours before buying it. No app, no spreadsheet, just delay. Why it works. Impulse spending is emotional. Research from Harvard Business School shows dopamine spikes during anticipation, not ownership. Translation: the high is in the clicking, not the having. The 48-hour rule interrupts that emotional spike. It creates space between feeling and action. And that tiny gap, that's where most money leaks out. The math. Let's say you impulse buy twice a month, $150 each time. That's $300 monthly. If waiting cuts that in half, you save $150 per month. That's $1,800 a year. Invested at 8% for 25 years, around $140,000. From waiting. Waiting is free, but it compounds. But what if I actually need it? Good. After 48 hours, you'll know. If you still want it when the emotional rush is gone, buy it confidently. The rule doesn't stop spending. It stops regret. Here's what really changed. Every time I waited, I proved I wasn't reactive. I was intentional. And wealth is built by intentional people. It's like muddy water in a jar. Shake it, it's cloudy. Let it sit. It clears. Most purchases happen in muddy water. How to start today. Create a 48-hour list in your phone. When you want something, write it down. Set a reminder for 2 days later. If you don't buy it, transfer that money into savings immediately. Make the win visible. Most people think getting better with money means earning more. Sometimes it just means pausing. No one destroys their finances in one giant mistake. It's 200 small emotional ones. Try this for 30 days. Track what you don't spend. You might shock yourself. And if this made you see money differently, subscribe. We don't do hype here. We do math. And math doesn't lie.